This is the Lexus GS F. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Lexus vlog. This pre-owned limited edition 10th anniversary Lexus GS F underwent our vehicle protection program, consisting of our signature detailing, a custom installation of SatinGuard paint protection film, and our flagship high-performance tint Spectra PhotoSync IRD. We began with our most popular 100 man-hour signature detailing program. With varying degrees of complexities depending on the condition of each vehicle, this program seeks to address a range of existing imperfections and defects with the aim of a complete showroom display transformation. This anniversary edition came with a unique matte nebula gray paintwork. Whilst the paintwork is being detailed by our team of specialists, a second team of detailers began on the coachwork. A combination of dry ice blasting, which uses -78-degree ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, paired with steam cleaning and manual detailing work, ensures that the vehicle looks absolutely perfect. Once the exterior sections of the car is completed, a hybrid ceramic coating system is applied and cured via infrared lamps in sequential layers, building additional layers of gloss and brilliance. This hybrid ceramic coating serves as a pre-layer before the PPF system is installed. The black polished 20-inch wheels were also detailed and treated with a hybrid ceramic coating system to resist brake dust and road contamination, allowing for ease of wash. The aptly named competition blue interior upholstery, which consists of fine nappa and alcantara, then undergoes a combination of dry steam cleaning to prepare the surface, and a complete 5-stage leather-free system is applied to moisturize and protect the finish inside. The other interior components are then treated with a UV protection system, giving protection against the tropical weather conditions. Next in place was a custom installation of SatinGuard, the next generation of paint protection film. With its tritone technology, SatinGuard appears as super matte, sheer satin, or fine translucence at different angles, giving your car a unique and captivating look. SatinGuard offers 400% more protection than your original clear coat, protecting your car from scratches, chips, and other damages. With our much desired custom installation, the Lexus GS F has a virtually seamless finish with no exposed edges. This car was completed with Spectra PhotoSync IRD's high-performance tint, the world's leading heat rejection tint with up to 81% TSER, extraordinary clarity, and a limited lifetime warranty against performance degradation. Experience a new level of comfort, additional safety with perfect visibility, and a range of VLT options from bright interiors to complete privacy. Made in the USA. If you've picked up your special car and are looking to elevate and protect the finish, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.